Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I am sharing with you how to make the popular milky donuts. I'll add sifted flour in a bowl. I'm using bread flour, which is the same as plain flour, sugar, powdered milk, yeast. I'm using instant yeast. You don't need to activate it. Salt. Mix the dry ingredients together. Add eggs, butter. You can use margarine as well. Warm water. Mix until you get a dough. I'll remove the spatula and work with my hand. Once the dough comes together, I'll transfer it to a work surface. Knead the dough for at least 15 minutes until the dough becomes smooth. When the dough is ready, when you touch it with your finger, it will bounce back. I'll divide the dough into the size I'll be working with. And I'll use a scale to weigh the size, and I'm going for 80 grams. Mold the dough into a round shape and seal it very well so it won't open inside the oil. Roll it to seal the dough. I'll repeat this process until everything is done. I'll flour the tray. Place the rolled dough on the tray. Cover it with a bag. Leave it to rise for 40 minutes to an hour. 40 minutes later, the dough have doubled in size. It's time to fry the dough. The oil is hot. Add the donut dough and fry them on medium to low heats. Once it's fried on one side, flip it to the other side to fry as well. When the donuts are ready, remove them from the hot oil and transfer them to a strainer that is lined with paper towel to take out any excess oil from the donuts. Next, to make the milky filling, I'll add liquid milk in a bowl. Condensed milk, powdered milk, mix together. The filling shouldn't be too thick and it shouldn't be too light, just like what you can see in this video. I'll be using piping bag. I'll transfer the filling inside the bag. And I'll set that aside. In another bowl, I'll add powdered milk. I'll coat the donut with the powdered milk. And I'll repeat this process with the rest of the donuts. And that is done. Next, I'll use a spatula to create a hole in the donuts. And then fill it up with the filling. I'll also be using other filling, which I'll be sharing in other video. And that is done. Let's open it and see what it looks like. This donut was super delicious. Are you going to give it a try? If you do, let me know how yours came out. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.